Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration MF72ZKW. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Low Roof D, Cab Limited Van. It has done 86,000 miles with full service history and one previous owner. The van comes with air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, parking sensors, heated windscreen, heated seats, stop-start, Apple CarPlay. Yet another outstanding custom crew cab. This van is a great all-round vehicle, fit for multiple purposes, a car in the front and a van in the back. Everything you need and more. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.